Nobody wants to swim in a dirty pool, and for that, we introduced the Aiper Surfer S1. Before we get started, don't forget to fully charge your Surfer S1 before its first use. Connect your Surfer S1 to the Aiper app, so you're always in control and in the know when it comes to your pool. Now that we're reconnected, let's get to work. The Surfer S1 is on a mission to give you the best, most hassle-free skimming experience imaginable. The Surfer S1's ultrasonic detection capabilities ensure both your device and your pool remain safe, and provides up to 10 hours of cleaning excellence with adequate sunlight. One more? Manually pilot your device to clean troublesome spots and elusive debris. Achieve and maintain a pristine, clean pool without all the work. Maintaining and cleaning your Surfer S1 is quick and simple. Just dump the debris into a wastebasket and rinse your device. It's that simple. The Aiper Surfer S1, a solar-powered clean.